Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I have another nail haul. So I picked these nails up from Walmart. They was on clearance for 49 cents. And I said yes, I got to grab these. So the first nails I picked up, they were by Kiss, and it is the Kiss Salon Color Limited Edition long lint nails. And so these are just some matte coffin nails. $28 nails, smudge free, and yeah, and the glue is included. The next one I picked up, they also by the Kiss Salon Color nails. These nails will be perfect for fall. Well, all of them will be perfect for fall. These are the limited edition long lint nails. They're in the stiletto shape, and they are burgundy. Also 28 nails, smudge free, perfect polish, and the glue is included. Picked up the Impress press on manicure, also limited edition, and these are the glow in the dark nails. And I think they're by Kiss also, and they were a part of their Halloween collection. And last but not least, this is also by Kiss. These are the limited edition design nails, and these I will wear these nails for Christmas, and they are also glow in the dark. So guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which nails were your favorite down in the comment section below. You hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.